started this project when the school year was starting, and we were trying to figure out a way to get our students really excited about wearing masks and being safe at school. So we were lucky to have the support of our community. Last Stop CD Shop helped us raise money to fund this project, to have a mask made for every student at our school. And we had 18 awesome community sewers that volunteered their time and their talents to help us out with this. So we're really excited to be rolling out this project today and have students with their new masks, and it helps us show belonging at our school when we can take care of each other.
Really, the heart of this project is community involvement and the community stepping up to help schools. We're lucky that people helped our school and to realize this project because we want students to know actionable steps for ideas like belonging or ideas like Ubuntu, I am who I am because you are who you are. And we realize that those are pretty abstract. So it was really our goal to do this in an effort to not only keep the kids safe and not only to boost the morale of the school, but also to have them understand that they can actually act on these ideas. And this year it's challenging because we can't have assemblies and we can't have lots of other things that we've been doing to really integrate the students and have them work together and see each other. So this was just one way that we thought would help unify the school through the Unity quilt and the individual flags and masks throughout the school.
So we wanted our teachers to have a choice of the fabric that they wanted to use for their masks, and each student and the teacher got a mask made with that fabric. And then we also made a flag that they can hang outside of their classroom that shows their fabric choice for their classroom. And then also we made a Unity quilt with a swatch from each fabric that can hang in the front of the school, so we give the students that remembering of that even though we are a little bit apart this year, we can still be together and we can keep each other safe through this project and through being a community.
I think each volunteer made between 25 and 40 masks, depending on which population and which classroom there was. So it was a considerable effort on their part, something we couldn't have gotten done without their expertise, for sure.
We just really want to say thank you to all the people that helped support us for this project. Not only did Last Stop CD Shop help us, and all these awesome sewers that volunteered to help us out with this, but also people that purchased masks at Last Stop helped us out. And just the support from our administrators and our teachers, just being really flexible with rolling out such a big project. We're feeling pretty lucky.
Today we had part of what we would normally have as our belonging assembly, but because we weren't able to do it as a whole group and all indoors like we normally do, we came up with an option that would be safe for our kids and still allow them that chance to experience the belonging assembly. Every year we welcome our kindergartners into our school by having a tunnel for them that our fifth graders make. And then at the end of the year, the opposite is done, where kindergarten makes the tunnel and fifth grade leaves to go to middle school through that tunnel. It's a tradition that we've had for many years. This year, we celebrated with the masks and the flags for each classroom. So they had a symbol of unity and belonging with our masks and our flags for each classroom. And that's how we celebrated our belonging together in a virtual assembly yesterday, with ending today with the tunnel.